I got married 4 years ago, and my husband and his family are many times over millionaires. My family is just middle class. Our wedding cost around 700K paid by him and his parents. My parents gave me a flat fee of 10K for a dress, which they are also giving to my sister too. My sister and her fiance are lower class. She has 170K in student loan while he has 110. They have 18K in medical debt and 35K in credit card debt. Well, last night was my sister's birthday dinner, and she announced she was engaged and wanted help paying for her wedding. She gave me a spreadsheet of how much she was going to need for her dream wedding. Anyways, her dream wedding is supposed to cost 100K, and as her only sister, I need to step up and help pay for her wedding since her parents are only giving her 10K for a dress. She said she needs me to give her at least 70K since I'm rich now. When I told her I'm not giving her 70K, she cried and said it wasn't fair how I get whatever I want. When she realized I wasn't going to budge, she broke down about how I'm just using motherhood to be greedy and lazy. I have 2-year-old twins. My brother recently moved in with us with his wife and 2 children. My husband and I own a big house on a farm, and with everyone working from home, we thought it would be a good chance to stay together as a family. I have 3 children, my eldest being 18 and my youngest being 13. It was amazing. Everyone got along just great. My sister-in-law and son especially got along together. They would always go running. Everything seemed normal until last month when my sister-in-law and son went on their run, but I was baking and I never saw them make any rounds around the farm, which was weird. I asked about it and they said they decided to hit the road. I thought nothing of it and everything seemed normal. After much thought, I decided to tell my husband and proceed from there. My husband lost it. At first he thought it was a joke, and we talked about the issue and we decided we should first talk to our son before telling my brother. My son confessed to everything and said they started sleeping together last February when he was 17. My son said it started on sister-in-law's birthday party that they attended, and they got drunk and slept in the bathroom and have been meeting at hotels ever since and sneaking off at family gatherings. After my son's confession, my husband just lost it and told my son to leave the house and go to our condo in town, and he didn't want to see him for the time. When my son was gone, my husband stormed into my brother's room. I have a 9-year-old daughter who I named after my late grandmother, Annabelle, and I'm currently pregnant. If I'm having a girl, I want to name her after my other grandmother, Rose. My sister got pregnant about 5 months before me and says she wants to name her baby Rose. I said our kids can share the name, but she says I already have Annabelle and could have named her Annabelle Rose, but passed up on the chance. So now I can't have Rose. I told her I'll look for something else, but reserve the right to use Rose if I want to. Then I fell in love with the name Rosalie. It honors my late grandmother, my boyfriend loves it, and it won't piss off my sister. A couple of weeks later, my sister gives birth and announces her daughter's name is Rosalie. I am beyond upset because now she's trying to snatch both names from me. My mom calls me to say she knew my sister was planning to